Hello everyone, this is a quick demo on how you can create an item size, item quality, item category in iQ-Metallika ERP system. So for this you need to open up your Google browser and type in your URL here, which is login.iqmetallika.com. You can see here it's login.iqmetallika.com. Once you log in, you can see our login homepage. Now every user of iQ-Metallika have their own unique login ID and password, which is given by admin department to them. So you need to type in that ID and password here. After that, just keep on pressing enter button to select the company, the site and the year and the module in which you want to enter. So item masters comes under procurement, so we'll select procurement here. Now press enter, and this is the home page for the procurement management. Now when we move to the left hand side, we can see masters here, and when we come downward we can see item master here. Now we already know how to create item master. Now the next step would be size, quality and item category for that item. So we'll start with size master here. Now this is the form for the size master. So one thing is very important in iQ-Metallika. Whenever we are going to make a new data entry into iQ-Metallika system, we need to press insertion mode button, because without pressing insertion mode button, we're not able to save our data into iQ-Metallika system. So insertion mode button can be found on the upper left hand side of the screen with the green color cross on it. You can see this as insertion mode button. Now when I click this button, my form is highlighted and I am able to make my data into iQ-Metallika. Now here we need to define the size for the items we created, or the master of item we created. So the size code is something which is generated by the system automatically. Now we need to type in the size description. So let's take 34 mm. So we are creating master of 34 mm size. Now press enter. It would take us to the short name. You can add a short name if you want, but I am just taking it as a 34 mm again. So press enter again. Now yes, do you want to save record? We'll say yes, and our record is saved. So this is how you can create a size master. Now to exit from this form, we just move to this side, and this button with the yellow color is known as exit button. I click this button and my system would ask, do you want to exit? And I'll say yes. We came back to the procurement management home page. Now we'll again move to the masters, item master and the quality master. Now we created item master, we created the size master. So the next step would be quality master. We should define quality for that particular item. So again we need to press the insertion mode button. This is the insertion mode button. Now the quality code would be generated by the system automatically, and we need to type in the quality. So let's define the quality. We know that quality would be special size, FE500, it could be bales, steel bushing, scrap imported, HM import, HMS, right? So let's take H.M scrap local, right? And again press enter, and system would ask, do you want to save record? And I'll say yes. Now again enter, and our record is saved. So we just created a new quality in the quality master that would be reflected in all the item LOEs. LOE is list of values. Alright. Now again exit from here. Yes. And again go to the masters, and we'll go to the item category master. Here we need to define the category for the particular item. Category generally reflects item could be raw material, item could be finished good, item could be any store item. Alright, so we need to define the category. It could be comes under iron, it could be high manganese, it could be ferro, it could be billet, scrap, alright, or finished good. We need to define the quality category here. So again we need to press the insertion mode button. Now the item category code will be generated by the system automatically. Now we need to define the item category. So let's say it's iron. Alright, you can create according to your company requirements. So I'm taking it as iron. Now again press enter, and yes, we want to save record. Again enter. So my record is saved now. So to exit, just go here, and yes, so we again came back to the procurement management. So this is how you can create in size master, quality master and category master in iQ-Metallika system. Hope this video would help you.